Hello queens, today we will be making a step-by-step lip gloss. All you will need is a bowl and a spoon and your lip gloss base. There are plenty different lip gloss base out there, but for me, I like to use TKB Trading because I just like how it feels on my lips. Let's get into it. If this is your first time, you can use a scale to measure out your lip gloss base so that all your lip gloss will be the same consistency. And for this video, we're just going to make a small batch. TKB Trading also has mica powder or liquid that you can use in your lip gloss. Today I'm using two different reds to get that burgundy look. Let's see how it comes out. Next will be your oils. I like to use coconut and vitamin E oils. There are other oils that you also can use, but this is what I like to use. And I also like to put my liquid color inside of the oil. You do not have to do this, but this is just for me because for TikTok videos that I also make on the side. So now we're just going to mix the two colors together. If you wanted to get a darker color, you also can add more color in it to get it the perfect right shade that you're looking for. Next will be our glitter. You can add whatever color glitter. There's so many different colors. You can get them off the TKB Trading website or even off of Amazon. So now I'm just going to add my glitter to my liquid. You do not have to do it this way. I like to do it this way. You can also just put it directly into your base. But I make multiple different videos for TikTok, so this is why I do it this way. Now that we have our oil, our color, and our glitter mixed all up, we can now pour it over our base. This is why I say I like doing this way, because I love to watch the colors mix in with my base, and it also makes a good YouTube or TikTok, Snapchat video. So now we're just going to mix all of this together to get the right consistency. You do have to be careful when you're putting too much oil and not enough base. But once you get that consistency down, you'll know how you like your lip gloss, if you want it thick or not too thick. But you really do not want it to be like sticky. But once you learn the consistency, you'll get down there. So next will be our flavoring oils. You can pick from the watermelon, pina colada, or bubblegum, grape, whatever flavor that you can think of. You also can get these from your local Walmart or even your local Hobby Lobby. You don't want to put too much, but just the right enough amount. are a few squeeze tubes that you can put your lip gloss in when you're getting ready to fill them. I believe I got these off of Amazon. They also have them, I want to say on TKB Trading, but you won't get as many, but you will off of Amazon. Here is a syringe and a pipette, and you will also need scissors as well. I got both of these off of Amazon. This is what the syringe looks like. This is what you will be using to put your lip gloss in, to put into your tube. So now we will be putting our lip gloss base into our syringe. I will say this process is messy. It can be messy if you're not careful, but here we go. So now you would cut your pipette, so it will be so easy for your gloss to be filled inside your tubes. So now we will be putting our pipette onto the syringe. I will tell you to make sure your stopper is on the end, or even your pipette, so the lip gloss will not just come shooting out. And you also can put tape around it so it won't just pop out when you're trying to fill your tubes. I like to get into the corners when I put my lip gloss in my tube, so it can be filled, so it won't have a empty tube. And then as you can see, I go side to side until I am to the top. I will say, whatever lip gloss tube that you do decide to use, please make sure that you wash them prior to filling them, and at least letting them air dry at least for a couple hours or even that whole day. And make sure that your area is very sanitized. So here are the screw-on tops and the stoppers to put into your tubes. That also came with the squeezy tube that I got off of Amazon. So now here comes the easy part. All you have to do is take your stopper and put it inside your squeezy tube like so. And then after that, we can put our tops on as well. I will say, after you finish with filling all your tubes, that you should wash them after you're done with them, because they do leave a slippery texture on them, and it will be hard for you to put your logos on as well. But here is the finished product.